experienced a time in your life when it felt like the rug was pulled right under your feet? Such as you've just been given a diagnosis that could be life-threatening. Or you might have just lost your job, or you might be going through a bitter divorce. But maybe you feel your life is going great right now. It's perfect. And yet, there is a sense inside of you that you might lose it all. Trials, challenges, and hardship. That's what this earth seems to only offer. But wait, there really is a light at the end of that dark tunnel we call life. It is called hope. Hi, my name is Christina Doyle, and I am one of 4 rare bone cancer survivors in all of Canada. I am here to tell you that there really is genuine, honest-to-goodness hope for you. Yes, you. I know you're probably thinking, how did I survive? How did I make it through that next hour, the next day, and even the next year that followed? What did I grasp onto to help me see through the calamity of a cancer diagnosis? What did I do with myself, and what life lessons did I learn along the way? Well, this journey began 15 years ago, in which a golf ball-sized tumor was found in my left leg, in the femur area. At first, everyone thought it was benign, but not for me. It was malignant. And what did that mean? It meant a 12-hour surgery, a minimum of 4 months in the hospital, and well over a year of rehab. Just have a look at my leg. It has a titanium prosthesis inside it. There is no bone in here. You can imagine how popular I am at the airport. Going through bone cancer meant losing friends, losing contact with anyone and everyone. My husband Jerry and I, we were like on a deserted island. Children who couldn't understand why mommy had to stay in the hospital so long. And then coming home, being unable to walk independently, and who needed everyone's attention and help. The CD Angels Don't Wear Pajamas is a dynamic and incredible life journey of perseverance, determination, and above all, finding hope. I know that your audience and you, the listener, will be encouraged and you will find peace to face your tomorrows or the challenging moments right now. I will take you on a journey through a roller coaster of emotional upheaval, challenges, and true victory through my story and my music. And finally, getting rid of my own pajamas along the way. Angels Don't Wear Pajamas is for anyone who needs a cushion to fall upon when you're faced with trials. There is a light, and there is love that will carry you through those dark times. Angels Don't Wear Pajamas will give you the wings you need to help you through. Through each segment of my journey, you will discover your own inner strength, your own light. Listen to how I became a motivational speaker and a country music recording artist. My music was played worldwide, and I had the opportunity to sing with some amazing artists along the way, such as Tom Cochrane, Blue Rodeo, and the lovely Natalie McMaster. My story will encourage your heart to develop a healthier attitude about your own life and how you can start feeling fulfilled. Included is a bonus track meditation to help you experience peace and embrace the new possibilities in your life. Stop dreaming and start living life today. There are angels everywhere. Start discovering who are yours. And afterwards, would you be so kind and write me a line and tell me how Angels Don't Wear Pajamas has helped you. Thank you.